So we all know Hull City got promoted to the Premier League. So Hull City was promoted. The first time Hull City was promoted was 2013 after they got relegated 2010. So I feel like Hull City have been playing pretty well because it took them 9 years since they played in the Premier League. Took them 9 years. Hull City is back in the Premier League and going to shine in the Premier League, and they are going to stay in the Premier League for a very long time. We have these three teams: Hull City and Ipswich and Coventry City that got promoted to the Premier League. These three teams got promoted to the Premier League. These three: Coventry City and Ipswich and Hull City. Hull City gave Manchester City a game and Liverpool, which means that Hull City will be tough to beat in the Premier League next season, as well as Ipswich and Coventry City. Coventry City that won the championship. They won the championship, and Hull City again, yet again, got promoted, and it took them 9 years to get promoted to the Premier League again. Well done to Hull City that humbled and embarrassed Middleboss.